Okay, so that's the beginning of Rockin' Into the Night by 38 Special. We're going to start with this G power chord. We hold it for a little bit and then we slide it down. We come to the B flat chord here, 1, 3, 3, starting on the A string. And that's like a triplet at the end of that measure into the C power chord. Hold that. We had that C note, that 3 on the A string. Big E open, 1 and 2 on the E string. So again, we have 3, 4. 3 times in a row. Now this fourth time we have this. So that's a B flat, up to the F, and then C, back to B flat. And we start the verse on the G power chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down to the D down here. Up to the 7th fret, E. And these are all on the A string bass note, you know. C. Now here we have a... Okay, this is like a big G kind of open chord. And the other chord could still kind of be doing that choppy thing, but the new one kind of sounds louder, takes precedent here. So we hold the G. You can do a D up here if you want. Or over here. All we have to do is do the sus thing. This would be 8 to 7, kind of with the chord in the 2nd string. Over here, it's that little 3 to 2. So we got E power chord down to B power chord, 2nd fret. Then we have the pre-chorus. Kind of 2 hits on the power chord, and they kind of go into those 5s. So you kind of feel like a low to high kind of thing. Low to high. And then we have a E power chord. And we're going to hit those 2 3s down there with it. D. So that was G, G, and then G, F. C again. E. And that kind of makes it a raised 9 with a 3 and 3 there. Or E minor 7 type thing. Then we have F, 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 F. And then that B flat, F, C to B flat. And we're into the chorus. Just like the intro. And then we have the B flat, F, C, B flat into a new verse. Okay, so the new verse is going to go. Open G. Pre-chorus again. So all that same stuff into the chorus again. So that time we're not going to do the... This time we're going to go... Up to the D, 5th fret. You can kind of chug that. Big 1 for the F. And then the solo starts. So think about the chorus, how we got that. Then another guitar just goes. Okay, so it's 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, down to the 5 on the A string. And then 3 to 5, kind of hold the 3 a little bit. And then it kind of alternates with that little 3 on the G string, slight bend on that. And sometimes later in the song, it'll start doing the first one a lot more, like. So earlier in the song, you can hear him going to that kind of higher note. So 3, 4. palm mute on it too. So the guitar solo is gonna go. Okay, so there's a little double lead on this one too, but let's start with this main one. We got. Okay, so 5-3-5 in the D. Kind of a pull off if you want, or even a hammer on pull off after that. 3 on the G, back to that 5 on the D and back. So kind of a half step bend on that 5 on the G to the 3 to the root note, the G. 3 to 4, little 3. 6 to 8 on the second. So we have. Then we're going to have 7 on the D. So that 7's like a pickup note. 8, 7 on the second. 7 on the G. 7, 9 on the D. Back to that 7. So it's. Okay, so all together we got. So this is going to go 5, 7 on the A, 5 on the D, and back to that 7. 7, 5, 7 on the D. 4, 7, 0 on the G, so it's. And then 5 on the second string to open G. 8, 7, 5, so it's. Now here's the part where the harmony is going to happen, so this is the higher part. So we have 12, 14 on the D, 12 on the G, back to that 14. Little 15, bend the 14 on the G, 12 to 14, so it's. And then 12, 13, 14, 15 on the B. So the 12 holds a little bit. And then 15 to 16, half step bend on that 16, so. And then, so that's 15 on the first to 17 on the second. And then bend the little 17, hit the note, 15, 14, pull off, bend the 7 on the second. So we got. Okay, now the harmony part is going to be. Okay, that's what it sounds like to me. It's hard to find a tab for this just right. Everybody has the first part, but not the second part. But it seems to be 12, 14, 12, 14 like the other one, but starting on the A string. And then 15 on the second string. And then this part, I don't believe is in harmony. It's just like they're matching themselves. So it's. And then the lower harmony of the chromatic is 11, 12, 13, 14 on the G. And then hit the 14 to 15. Half step, that 15. And then 17, 15 on the second. Bend the 17 up and down. 15, 14 on the second. Unison bend, 14 a G with 12 on the B. So we got. Then you're back in that pre-chorus. Now we don't do anything for a minute because the singing is going to go longer. We have to wait for a while. We have that pickup thing. Okay, so after the solo, the chorus is going to have different hits. So we have that pickup, rest. Okay, so it's like a whole beat rest. 1, 2, that kind of a thing. So it's rest, rest. That's only a half a beat though. So it'd be like rest. Now we're gonna have a new thing with the. We can do a power chord with that, so it'd be 3, 0, 1, and then 1, 1, 2. We can do power chords with that, so it's C, E, F, B flat, F, F sharp, G. So it's. Hits. Those chords. They were kind of going outro. Listen for like an extra hit on that G. Then we're gonna have these B flat, F, C, B flat. Chords. Next one has that walk-in pickup. Next one has the, and you're faded out by that point. So let's look at the solo one more time. We got. And the harmony part. Okay, great stuff by 38 Special, rocking into the night. 2 pages of tabs. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon.